Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So here's a new video for you all. So I'm a little late, but happy new year to everyone, as this is my first video of 2020. So why not we start the video with God's blessing? And so that's why I thought, why don't we make a zentangle of Lord Ganesha. And those who are from India, they already know who's Lord Ganesha. He's also known as Lord Ganpati, and he's considered as the Lord of letters and learning, and also the new beginnings. So as a god of beginnings, he is always considered or honored at our ceremonies at the first position, before the other gods. So that's why I thought, why don't we start with him. So this is the sketch that I made. It's a rough sketch that took me a little while, and when I'm happy with it, I'll just take my pen and just trace out the final lines that I liked, so with a black pen. So after that, I'm just adding few flowers here and there, because I just wanted the whole painting or the drawing to have a little contrast of colors as well. And if you like my video, do give me a thumbs up, don't forget. Okay, so what I was saying, yes, I wanted a little contrast to the whole drawing, so I'm using this black brush pen. And you can, from Uniball, you can use any other sign pen or a brush pen, whatever you have. Any other markers also will work. Doesn't matter actually what kind of brand you have. Then just keep trace out all the final lines that you like. I'm just gonna little zoom it in so you can see what I'm doing. Now I'll start adding all those patterns, so you can you'll see how our painting is coming together, and now it will look like a zentangle pattern art. So if you'll go on Pinterest, you'll find so many different ideas there to make these kind of zentangles, and I found so many. Some of them were really great. So I just thought the side profile, I just use a side profile. You can go and you can draw the front face of Lord Ganesha as well, or any other lord, or otherwise in a simple animal as well you can do. Or otherwise, even if you don't want to do Lord Ganesha and you want to do an elephant, you can do that as well. Instead of just having a mukut or a crown, don't draw that, and it's an elephant, because Lord Ganesha's head is of an elephant. We all know that. Okay, now keep on adding the patterns. Okay, so one more thing, if you guys want to follow me on Instagram, this is my Instagram ID, and you can go on Insta and just follow me there, because sometimes there are some I post there almost daily, and those posts I don't share it on YouTube. So those, not all of them are not tutorials, but if you want to go check them out, you can just go and follow me on Insta. Just type the art geek and you'll find me there. Definitely follow me, and do comment below on my post to let me know if you are a subscriber of mine, and I'll okay, so that's it guys. So I'm just finishing all those patterns here. So try to make the patterns more easy for you, and just try to fill all those little spaces here and there. And what my idea is of doing this is, whenever if I'm in a hurry, I'll just fill the gaps with very easy patterns, like I know, like the soul ones or the round circle, something like that. But if I'm at home and just making it not on the camera, I'll take time and I'll just go with some complex design. So that's all on you. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like now. I think it's coming out real good. So you can keep on adding more and more patterns here and there if you want. I think it's fine. I don't want to make more patterns inside, so I'm gonna go to the flowers now, and I'm gonna color them. I'm just using the brush marker. You can do with the watercolor as well. Then I'm using red, pink and some green. That's on you if you want to choose some different colors and more flowers or more than the one that I made here. That's on totally on you, and that will be your choice. Okay guys, as you can see, our painting is almost done. I'm just finishing the whole painting with some watercolor on the sides, and just try to make it more, prettier with lots of colors around, because there should be a lot of contrast in the painting when you're doing this. Otherwise it will be more very dull, so that's why I'm using some bright colors, yellow, pink and orange, and I'm gonna paint the sides black, or just take a marker and just do a little boundary, give a little boundary to the whole painting. So that's it guys. If you like my video today, do give me a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment below about the video if you liked it or not. And till then, bye bye, see you next time.